Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
Enya ruho.
That's it. I'm in chat here for you now.
Yeah, Joseph.
Chairman, I've always made this point, sir. About no maybe who say yet de-emphasize partisan politics. And I've had cause to name some of such areas, education, home. Yet among yourself, bring Pinoya and what and Oshe Yabakosema.
Sampai teacher for no from. Ana Oliver Kevo. I be ana efum for no friend. Omo efum.
Oshe Yabakosema ana adisua Abakosema Ghana ha. Utimu say among yourself to a large extent has played a very negative role in the way I education can kono and Pempenso Abedri Amanyosem has played a very negative role. Even the duration of secondary school.
Hey,
yeah, Amanyosem.
What is asking me about?
We've been experimented with 4 years, 3 years. Wow, Nina Ewonsun.
Talking about Amanyosem, sorry, Semi Chow. Anopebi. Only Professor Jangma.
Oh yeah.
No,
Vice Chancellor of UEW.
UEW. But before that, no, a Director General Ghana Education Service.
Yes, okay.
Only Professor Dimensa.
Now, me a PhD new.
Minim Sapa, my son in America, sir. Some of these years, so. Oka about the manual seminary, Michelle about Professor Jangma. No, a Vice Chancellor, UEW. Adamensa Vice Chancellor Legon.
And former PMP General Secretary.
Yes, PMP General Secretary Liman time.
Okay.
Only here. Now, you didn't come about 3 years, 4 years. My friend Adamensa online back also. So I don't know pay you come to studio. My friend Adamensa online back also. My friend Professor Jangma online back also. Some of them were pro 4 years.
Yeah.
Now, Omucheche Bimu. Nienti outside the call 4 years.
No, but papers.
Now, where a Dimensa? And yan the back with you, Professor Dimensa. Odi VC Legon. Now still I me Obeka young mind. And na Jangma. O ma church from Krata na Omuchechimu. Omuchiremu wi ya. Sata na Prof Nyanya Prof na Dr. Kofi Ejekum. Na Prof Ejekum so ono so a pro 4 years. Ono so chechimu ni ntia 4 years no better than 3 years. Na amanyo 70. My friend Amanyo ni baako. No jina homa no. Debbie, it's not fair to me. But I don't want to personalize it. I don't want to personalize it. Me penisa. Mama me. Obama me if you are a pound. Na okasa ya come ya no per 3 years. Or come ya adu be na monsieur. 4 years now. Okay, so I was a sympathizer for 4 years. 4 years now, me pushing on. Professor Adai Mensah, Professor Jangma, Dr. Kofi Ejekum. I'm not here. I'm also advocating. What do you know, Kachemi? Adai Mensah and Jangma do not understand education.
I'm getting an idea of who.
You leave the name out.
I'm getting an idea.
Now, they are doing all this because they are sympathetic to the MPP. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Just to buttress your point.
Exactly.
Bibiano, yeah, the amount of something frappe.
No, sir, not say Bibiano. To the extent that experts in education.
Also, experts.
Education.
Wow,
we are manual seven. We not education. Because they were speaking a certain mindset. Your partisan viewpoint in your identity. Oh, who's your education? I say. Oh, and yes, I'm an abbot group and pensubi as is ya cry. Education, BBO. And make a way to make the point say about education now. I say, yet the amanyosem no twin chain. Na yem share issues no on their merit and do the discussion on that basis. Jema, when him say our expenditure on compensation. In fact, wages and salaries.
And line one items.
Exactly. Who share sika yedi wages and salaries is much more than sika yedi capital expenditure, and it's actually rivaling sika interest payment. So says yeah can say interest payment is more or less leading expenditure items, but compensation and teacher wages and salary share of compensation, any interest payment pay, which will say a lot of our income goes into paying salaries and wages. Now obisa who say sabi abenjuma for crowd omududu saying they are not more than 600,000, and yet a significant percentage of your income goes into paying them. Mika we no me pese me say Aban is doing his bit. Aban ebono homodin. And we all appreciate the difficulty Aban ewumu. Na Drew Pempens, and of course workers no mu yejuma they deserve to be paid.
Of course.
After all, omoni Aban woni omona ekosa I don't know apam. I wasn't too sure if I was going to use that. Oh, Prof. Oh, yeah. I feel I'm insured. Anti Prof around there. I'm covered. Anti. Hey,
my friend is here.
Oh, Fred,
Fred, your teacher.
But Fred, you know, we say,
there's some fun referring to say,
yeah, because Mukasa don't want to.
That's very true.
Yeah,
that's true. That's true.
Yes.
If government contracts you, I say Aban to your car. But the objective reality soon is say, Aban Sikasem, to the Bia, in Valenia to the Bian Primpi, and soon your ma Aban Pese, until when it gets to a point where there are difficulties with payment of salaries, any wages are. Me, my dream, government's approach to some of these things should always be say, yetimasie, musumunti said there is difficulty, but samodi patapa, any takashi, ebe huna jumaye for na. That is what, in my view, often leads to some of these industrial actions. And when they embark on industrial actions, and they are, acting within their rights to do so, even though you see they should have met certain requirements before declaring the strike, but the right to strike, a right that they are guaranteed until they can exercise it at any time. Omu yeswa kan hu ni say sabi patapaka sa ana sa takashika sa no enya dia ebetimi a resolve bibia until to the extent say you say omu dia agura you go and recruit new teachers in the muntu yomuka and America no
openya jekum say Bible say obi a ni bunchefu no
say no that way the J word
I see Bible kan nim I see obi a ni bunchefu no
Bible and to seven
and no straight
obi a ni bunchefu no odi jimisem Proverbs now
Proverbs 14:17
you are
and 17:14 trabutu no say
turning number
and tokwa ashase that is how the fitting etue eban ho enti enya nshase no jamenka.
That's no, sometimes when we refer to scripture, a lot of us,
Prof, maba nyara kamali olo. Oh, avola. Okay. Oh, aloka anyara lia. Anyara kamali o. Senka yeti asiese ya.
Jamal, a lot of our problems, the solution to your problems in the are in this. Is in the scripture, but a bit more we read. We don't. Actually, yemfa ye kind from the scripture no things falling apart. But point I'm making is when workers engage in an industrial action, and yes, sabi omeni distract no, enti na prof ka na sembi amini ni adwin teacher for bi wo wa if for any reason you see a mom nko chade e yo mo ya. And Kahuni say, and yes, once it is not done today, you would have to do it and do yes, we are twice or so. Until the workload becomes more. Until you more per se, DBM called Namco strike, Nayenja Jumano. But when you push them to a certain point, a idea almost would have to respond. And MP4 in 2012, Mikaipa, one of the pillars upon which are policy on education, Erani. And omodibe tuja was teacher motivation. and it repeated itself in 2016. And may I, with the leave of your lordship, the CG, may I just
I do lordship.
Let me just read.
What will come into the friend saying?
The
privilege.
The privileges committee.
No, judicial.
Hey, General Legal Council.
General.
Anytime you see me say article, oh no, me see here. Now because I'm going to appropriate unto myself something that is not due me.
Say you acted ultra-virus.
Ultra-virus.
Chairman, I mean, can you just highlight now? I'm going to be too, Jano. And can ye pa say about teachers and in your modibe ye and an yombe edibua teachers.
MPP manifesto
2016. Omuka said teachers will be treated with respect.
Okay.
And we shall ensure that teachers' salaries and allowances are paid regularly and on time.
Ajay.
Chairman,
almost
say teachers will be treated with respect. And we shall. And they use the operative word here, shall.
Shall and shall.
I shall no
Debbie shall.
Supreme Court.
Nipa baako pɛ na ɛyɛ da ba angyina it was
shall the
anti-tam.
I do say teachers
will be treated with respect, and we shall ensure that teachers' salaries and allowances are paid regularly and on time.
Bam. No further comment. I think no further comment. It is self-explanatory.
Exactly.
On
cash,
this is self-explanatory. I think yes, from that profit.
And you see this point.
Or say salary is one car, yes.
So you see, that no more kind of say. Yet, the word arrears in him. I know about it, but it is inferred. It is inferred. Obviously, the teachers' salaries and allowances are paid regularly and on time.
Salaries
in 2018, mutual regularly and on time. Some can be arrears.
No, but I know
legacy.
Oh,
what's the amount of sember?
That be where Yamayam, but with them yet many be. The forward menumua was our TNT in Asifono, and you call a tree. And sign your baby to and until a me banisano, and yet Dan Wanuna, you two until a me banisano. And yet I read to say,
I think it was
meant by regularly and on time.
I want Prof to have the last word.
No, on time, swear. Okay, but my interest, German, maybe this is here.
I think
the point I'm seeking to make is Sika, you can say, teacher for say ye pia omo kodrum pempenso bi enu nti no mo ye ne omo ye no na ye nkotia ebi muzi o amanyofo bi na show mo ichi ena emo omo ye ne omo ye. I think when you do that it does no credit to their intelligence. Sabi eya atemdidie say teacher for sabi omo ejimi ama omo kra omo nim ne ya ha omo na amanyo ni bi na be ne se obeka kire omo say mo areas ni entua ya o esem ye hu bibi. When you do that, you upset the teachers. When you do that, you create the impression, say, Sebi, they are poodles who can be played with by politicians. And Minyesho said, Sanity, Mark Eka and Zembi,
leadership.
Every Abaimbia has had its fair share of industrial action from teachers.
Yeah.
And if we reduce this argument to politicians and show Michi, let's just say every Aibia, then Omudia. Anytime there's a change of government, now a man of phone I don't think a board the conversation. Now this thing about
Kabunu conversation as a part.
What was Kaman's
but you see,
now what Kabunu's interest in there?
Oh, he's a Nagrad president.
I said no, but you know, again, who would tell can be? Who would tell can be? Who interest to many day?
Mammy,
can be no interest in there.
And this thing about now and the new narrative in town is executive look around more. Teacher for now money. But if you read the Labor Act, and I'm speaking specifically, I'm speaking specifically to Section 103, subsection 1. It says once wijitum eyun krofubi say omumbe jina manemu, they have the right to negotiate on your behalf.
Yeah.
But negotiation should be.
They
right.
don't have to come and tell you, say, this is what we are doing. They may seek your input. But if they feel, say, issue way, any issue that we require fresh input. Issue no say it's about arrears. It's about demanding or making a demand on government to honor its obligation to teachers in respect of arrears. Until we sabi negotiation be na ombekwa akoya that will require the input from the generality of Ghanaians. Until mu na mudi to mina show mun say they can negotiate on their behalf. Until that point is a moot point say nanke say omububo teacher for money and all of that.
I think time to go.
But let me just land on this point. Omu NLC for court. G court order and an injunction. So Munko classroom. Mitie the Nagrad president, Mirahui. Or see, we have been asked to go back to the classroom. They will do so reluctantly. Ombeko, but it would have implications for teaching and learning. I said yes, sir. Media, I am not an advocate of Labour holding government to ransom, especially in an election year.
But Abanisa,
where through election year, until Nyomu ye, I share the things that it's an attempt to blackmail government to doing certain things. Media are buying. It is in the government's interest to see to the end of this issue. They are complaining about issues of good faith and bad faith. Court action will not solve the problem. A engagement, further dialogue, nibetimi abua. Regardless of look, let's face it, there are difficulties. Finance ministry is not having fun with our finances. Essence sikano emwayeding. Until the only way Takashi the Mbwa, the only way we can get them to appreciate government's position is Yenuomo will engage. Let government engage with the teacher unions and let them understand say abai yehu bibi. If there are timelines be abembe to me let government do that and discuss it with them. Yenyina ebeboa in pleading with them to appreciate government's difficulty. And yes, abai was can be brina omashada se omumpese omutua. If you engage them, now there are timelines. You reassure them say timelines where they yebedisu. I am sure say the teacher unions will be reasonable enough to say okay, Achia by Mbuye will work with these timelines.
And at the end of the day, Kasaya. Prof.
But Chairman, Enya Kasabiao.
Miampona Atik
Kasa. Michael Soa Kasa the Mwa.
Yajatum Senya.
Anti Kasa Ebema Omu crying Shebi. Say, look, at the end of the day, we are committed to your cause. After all, MPP Disha Omu manifesto. And I don't want to believe that Omu Disha Mukeke. We support the idea of supporting teachers. Manifesto, but we are committed to the cause, and these are the timelines. And I'm sure we should have a resolution to this issue.
Prophet Pachobrem,
2012, and I'm a mommy inaugural lecture, run by a full professor. The title was Kasapa Kaseham.
Kasapa Kaseham.
Yes. Kasa no be a kasapa. It be a kaseham. Kasa a wolf flavor. What tea out was a kasa with it as a me where be. Adam Bisao paper be on aspects of persuasive language.
Aspects of persuasive language.
Because opa at the fedefenia crocronia dear, they go pebia ubenya. It is Udi Ekobia di moi as a Usia Kasapa Kasaham and ne a crocro cassa. Yes, I know baby a dream. Come on, Mina way so now Yenina Yanana or Chehne or Sajifo.
Mauda
Yamano Official Pa.
BFM 104.3. Good to meet